Excuse me, sir. Just because you're ridiculously cute does not give you the right to sit on our couch. Okay, well, that was insanely cute, so I'm just gonna have a good day.
Oh, over here? Drop.
Excuse me, sir. Sir. Excuse me, sir. Sorry to bother you. I'll leave you alone.
When your daughter's cat is tired of her leaving him in the morning for school.
What is wrong with him? Get off of her!
That's so weird, dude. I wasn't there.
Back up from the plant. I said back up from the plant.